metropolitan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Columbia County in south-central Wisconsin, northwestern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, east-central Sauk County in south-central Wisconsin, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Middleton, moving north at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include western Madison, Middleton, Waunakee, Portage, Lake Wisconsin, Cross Plains, Lodi, Gwinnett, Black Earth, Dane, Merrimack, Harmony Grove, Interstate 90/94 Interchange, Hockey, and Marksville. Other landmarks included are the following locations: Gibraltar Rock Natural Area County Park, Pine Island State Wildlife Area, Historic Indian Agency House, and Alliant Energy Portage Power Plant. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for south-central Wisconsin.